Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 80th independence of our great nation India. Today India is making progress in science, technology, innovation, digital development, and space research. At the same time, we also face challenges such as pollution, corruption, unemployment, cybercrime, misinformation, and social division. These problems cannot be solved by the government alone. Every citizen has a role to play. As a student, we must be honest, disciplined, respect our religion and culture, care for the environment, use social media responsibly, and always stand for truth and unity. The real estate of India lies in its people living with peace, equality, and mutual respect. Let us remember that true patriotism is not shown only by waving the national flag on Independence Day. It is shown through our daily action, good character, and dedication to our country. Let us take a pledge to become responsible citizens and work together to build a stronger, cleaner, safer, and more developed India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.